Hi developers. In this video, we are going to see what is PIP in Python, how to install that, and what is PyPi, how to fetch the Python libraries via PIP, and finally how to uninstall the PIP. Let's start. What is PIP? So before explaining the concept theoretically, I want to explain with real-time example what is PIP and why it is used. So let's assume you want to construct one house, right? So for that, bricks are very important. So in that case, you are going to buy the readily available bricks from the factory, or you will get some sand and you make the bricks yourself, right? So practically, we all will buy the bricks from the factory, which is readily available. So we don't want to reinvent the wheel again, which is already available. We can use it and we can proceed with our work. So this is simple practical example. The same way, lot of libraries are available already in the Python. Okay, so useful libraries, so we don't have to create the useful functions. Okay, so the reusable functions we can use from that library. We don't have to create the code again, so that we can save the time and we can concentrate on our other work. So like, so for that only the PIP is used. So PIPs stands for Preferred Installer Program. Okay, the PIPs is the standard package manager for Python. So if you not only Python languages, other languages also, this kind of package manager tool is available. Okay, if you go to JavaScript world, there is a NPM Node Package Manager. So if you go to Java world, there is a Maven. Okay, so each and every language, they have own package managers. So what this package manager will do, in the throughout the community, throughout the world, lot of developers are there. So they want to help so that the free source community is growing based on helping each other. So one developer want to help the community, so he will develop some reusable code. He will deploy the code in the library, so anybody can want, they can reuse the code in their project. So that's why this PIP mainly come here. If you want to any code, that is called additional packages, we can use PIP to install additional packages that are available in the Python standard library. We will see what is Python standard library, where we can get, how to access this library in upcoming slides. Okay, so first step is, before you have to accessing the library, you have to install the PIP in your system. So in the latest version, whenever you are installing Python, by default PIP will come. So to verify whether PIP is already installed in your system or not, you can verify with the go to command prompt, type PIP space hyphen version. If you give that, it will give you your existing PIP version. If it is not available, it will throw a message like PIP is not available. Then we can come to this. So complete, just verify whether PIP already installed in your system or not. So if it is not installed, then you come to this step. So first step is, you have to download the getpip.py file. So from this link, so I have given this link in the description. And the second way, so you have to browse this link and you have to download. So this is like little cumbersome stuff. So you have to browse the URL and you have to download. So instead of that, go to your designated folder, where the target folder, where you want to download the file, anywhere you can download. So there, just run this command, curl command. Okay, curl the URL and -o, then file name. So I will explain you. So this is the command I will copy. Then I will go to my path. So here in this path, the folder, I'll explain the folder. Here I don't have any file, so I want to download that file. Simply I'll copy this. Okay, I will give this command in the description, then you can copy that. So curl URL and what is the file name. If you enter that, it will start downloading. Finish. Okay, if I go to here, you can see the file here. Just run that command in your command prompt. wherever you want to download the file, just remember the path. So we are going to use that file to install the pip. So hope this step is clear. This is a step number 1. In this step we are going to download the pip file. Once the download is completed, you have to run the python get pip.py. So where the same place, if I go to dir command, I can see, so this pip file is that get-pip.py is available. So in here you have to type python get. Okay, so you have to enter. Already I installed the pip in my system, that's why I'm not going to execute this file. So you have to type python space get pip.py, that is a file name. So once you run this command, automatically pip will be installed in your system. So once you install, to verify that, just execute this command, pip version. Got it? So there are only 3 simple steps: get the file and execute the file and verify the pip installation. Very simple. Okay, so that's all. Finish. Now your pip installation is completed. Next is, what is PyPi? As I explained in my uh, before previous slide, the practical example. So here what you will do, to you have started your construction work, you have to started building your house. So now you want bricks. So how you logistics, so how you can take the bricks from the factory. So their PyPi is your factory. There lot of libraries are available. Here in this example, lot of bricks are available. So whatever bricks you want, you have to take it to your site. So here your site, here is your system where you are developing the project. PyPi is your global library. So it's like a factory of libraries. PIP is that simple, that logistic tool which will bring whatever libraries you want from the factory to your laptop. You got it? PyPi is the library and PIP is the tool which brings required library from the PyPi to your laptop. Okay, got it? So this is, that's, let me explain you what is the URL you have. Okay, so here you have the PyPi URL. You can see here pypi.org. If you go to this pypi.org, you can see 3 lakhs, more than 3 lakhs projects are available. You can download the project, you can use those projects in your custom projects. Okay, next is, every time there are a lot of release are happening, then more than 56 lakhs files available and 5 lakhs users, they are contributors to this library. Got it? So this is the global library. If you want to use any library, for example, I want to do the game development, so in that case you just type pygame is the popular library. If you search, this will give lot of libraries whatever required for your game. So if I want to use pandas, this is also very popular library. So here you can use lot of library. So this kind of library, numpy. So this also mainly for complex calculations. Okay, so this and all very popular libraries like that. As I told you, almost more than 5 lakhs files libraries are available. You can download and you can use in your project. Okay, so this is, okay, this is the PyPi stands for, PyPi stands for Python Package Index. So PyPi is the repository of software for the Python programming language. Okay, the link is pypi.org. So how you can download? I told you we can go to that PyPi URL. We have a lot of inbuilt files and projects are there. But how we can download those files in your system? So it's simple. So that command is, there is a pipe install. What is the file you want? Okay, so by using this command you can install. I will explain you. Okay, so here, if what all the libraries already you install, you want to verify, you can use pipe list command. It will give you what are the libraries available in your system. So I already installed pygame, I don't want to install again. So if I want to install, there is a one library called camel case. So what this library will do is, whatever string you are giving, it will convert into camel case. So I want to use that library. I will go to that pip install camel case. Okay, so if you install this pip camel case, it will install in your system. So if I go to pip list So camel case libraries is installed. The version is 0.2. Latest version it will install. So like that, as I told, 5 lakhs files are available, projects are available. In that 5 lakhs project, which project is useful in for you, then you can download that project, then you can use it. Okay. Yeah, so if you thought that by mistake or you download some library or you thought your project work is completed, no more that library is not required for you, you can use pip uninstall that. What is the library name? For example, I don't want to camel case in my project, I can use pip uninstall camel case. Okay, that's all. When I execute this command, the camel case will be uninstalled. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. You understood the concept. If you didn't understand any concept, it's confusing you, please mention in the comment box. I will try to explain more. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Stay connected for more technical videos. Bye.